Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we're gonna attempt to do something interesting that other people might have done, but I'm gonna give it my try to make YouTube videos completely AI powered. And for this one, I'm gonna use chatgpt and pictory AI, which are both AI powered machines or websites, whatever you wanna call it. And we're gonna tell chatgpt to write us an article about robots taking over YouTube. What could go wrong, right? Let's see what ChatGPT comes up with. And once ChatGPT is done writing us the article, then we're gonna go and paste this article into a script to video on Pictory and see what these two come up with. Okay, and as we see, ChatGPT went to really the town here. And now we're gonna copy this whole thingy here, this entire text, if we can, and paste it to our Pictory AI. And I'm gonna go to script to video. I'm gonna hit proceed. I'm gonna paste it right here. And I'm gonna take probably this as a title here and put the title here. And I'm not gonna change anything. I'm just gonna leave it as is. And by the way, no, I don't have a premium account, so you will see watermarks. But you understand, you get the point I'm trying to convey here. And let me go with, I'm just gonna go with the first one. Whatever it does, I'm gonna do 6x9, hit continue, and let the app do its job, or the AI do its job. As you see here, it searches for media, pictures, it goes for videos, story blocks, and all that stuff to make a video that's almost human-made. And as you see right here, it came up with some video, and these are the scenes. As you see on the side, it actually set the scenes by itself. And I'm just gonna hit preview, the scene duration, I'm gonna leave it at what it's at, 12, or I should probably, for the sake of this video, I'm gonna put it at 9, and I'm gonna apply it to all scenes, so it would be easier for us to watch. And no, I don't suggest you go out there and create an entire YouTube channel just based on AI, because it kind of gets boring and you will not get anywhere. Not that it's illegal or against any rules, but it will get boring and you have 99% chances of nobody really watching it or enjoying it. And as you see here, I'm gonna hit preview and see how our video looks. That's 100% AI generated from the script to the video itself. And yes, it will have the watermark. And here is our video. This is what we just made from AI. This is very interesting, huh? When you think about it, that there's no human touch. And if you have a premium account with Pictory, I think you will have this watermark here removed, and the story blocks watermarks removed, and it'll be just the video you're seeing right now, which is especially for publishing or information or some kind of stuff like that. I guess would be very useful to just throw together some informational video on YouTube. That probably could be okay for corporate or for news media. And I'm actually very surprised, huh? As you see, it shows clips that are almost perfectly matching the video or the script that we gave it, created by another AI, by its own cousin, ChatGPT. Now this is something else. This is truly something else that we haven't had so far to this day. That I simply asked ChatGPT to write an article. I should have put an article about robots taking over YouTube. It wrote a huge article and it did it just quick. And then I input that same article, just the words, on Pictory AI. And look at Pictory AI taking over the world here, making us a whole video about YouTube and robots taking YouTube. And look at that. Now you tell me we are not living in the future already. And yeah, this is very beautiful, probably for journalists that write those articles, if you've seen them before. Sometimes that you have a short reel of news and it's just some pictures behind and text on the front. Most of them, at least today, are made this way. So yeah, That's a complete video made by AI. And in this video, just imagine, for example, while it's playing here, you can just go ahead and voice it over. It's very interesting, huh? You can do it as it is right now. Put light music on the background and they can produce videos that are indistinguishable from those created by humans. They lack the human touch. As you see, that almost took a form of humanly made video. It would be almost impossible to distinguish if this video was made by complete 100% AI or by a human. And I will leave links in the description for both these sites, and no, not affiliated with any of them. And we'll see you next time. I hope you learned something, and bye!